These are one of the things that Grootman Black Coffee continues to do behind closed doors. That's why he is respected, man. It's more than music itself. It's more than the artistic greatness that he has. It's more than that. The Grootman, come on, man. Grootman is well respected in the mainstream, underground, behind closed doors.
I need to thank Black Coffee. He helped me in difficult times.
Tell me.
Yeah, my financial challenges. And then Black Coffee wathi bamba kanje ntwana yamcina.
Hayibo.
Yeah. And it's fine ukuthi yazi Black Coffee umuntu ungacabanga ukuthi uzokuhelpa awukazi umenzele next. Uyabona?
So how did you know of your situation or plight? Were you guys talking?
I told him.
On Xhoxa nje.
Wathi bama mfana wami. And that's why bathi uma uhelp abantu nami ngibahelpile abantu.
Thula.
But abantu abakuhelpile uthulile yabona ungihelpile akasho next uthulile.
Thank you.
Nami ngihelpile abantu ngithulile. I never said ubani kumenzeleni yabona.
But you know where that comes from. You're not doing it for the person, you're doing it for God.
Nah.
Right?
Yeah, so yeah. And
because he's the one who knows that you've given.